Hello and welcome to Courtyard's online Mandarin Beginner 1 video course. My name is Ilya, but in this video series I'll be using my Chinese name, Ilya.
And my name is Eden, or in Chinese, Dian. In this video we will be giving you some basic grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation so that you can have daily conversations in Chinese and travel in China on your own. Each video will start with a short dialogue which we will break down for you so you can understand it. And then, with a little bit of practice, you can do it too.
Enjoy the video. In today's class, we're going to learn how to say hello, how to say your name, ask for someone else's name, how to say goodbye. We're also going to introduce the 4 Chinese tones. We're also going to teach you the basic rules of Chinese pronunciation and the most basic Chinese sentence structure. The way we're going to do it, we're going to start with a short dialogue completely in Chinese. Then we're going to go to the classroom, break it down, explain it, and at the end of the video you're going to watch the first dialogue again, and this time you're going to understand it.
你好，
你好，
你叫什么？
我叫恩典，你叫什么？
我叫伊利亚。
再见。
拜拜。
Before we break down this dialogue, let's take a small diversion and talk about tones. Mandarin Chinese is a tonal language, which means that every sound that you make, you pronounce it in a certain pitch. And that pitch is very important because it determines the meaning of what you say. Here's Eden to explain more.
Chinese has 5 tones, though there are 4 that are most popular. The first tone, or the high tone, remains the same. For example, ma. The second tone, or the rising tone, increases in pitch. For example, ma. The third tone both drops and then rises. For example, ma. And the fourth tone decreases in pitch. For example, ma. The fifth tone has no pitch. For example, ma. Repeat after me. Ma. 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 Now you try.
Thank you, Eden, for the explanation. Now let's try it again, but with a different sound. Repeat it after me. First tone, high up and straight. Ni. Now the way I remember the first tone is, if you're familiar with the scales, it's like the scale mi from do, re, mi, ni. Second tone, going upwards. Ni. Third tone, going down and up. Ni. And fourth tone, abruptly from up to down. Ni. Now, like we said before, don't worry if you don't get it the first time. Just try to repeat after us and you will get it eventually. Now, the reason why I wanted to concentrate on the sound because it's the first word we're going to learn today.
你好，
Ni with the third tone. Ni with the third tone. Means you. Now let's learn one more word. Means you. Hao with the third tone means. Now let's learn one more word. Or well. Now put it together, and we'll learn the first word of this lesson, the third tone. Ni hao, which means hello. Good. Or well. Now put it together. Try saying the first word of this lesson. Ni hao, which means hello. Now let's learn how to say my name is something in Chinese.
我叫伊利亚。
Try saying it together with me. 叫你好，伊利亚。我 third tone. 叫 fourth tone. 伊利亚。我 literally means I. 叫 means to be called. And here comes the name. This is also the most basic and regular sentence structure that you will see in Chinese, where there is a subject, a verb, and an object. A subject is whoever is doing something. A verb is the action, and this is what the action is on. So for example, I'm eating a sandwich. Or he is riding a bicycle. Yeah, so he will be the subject, riding will be the verb, and bicycle will be the object. Now let's learn how to ask somebody for their name.
你叫什么？
In Chinese, the question what is always placed at the place where the answer will be. So the way you ask somebody for their name, you would say, literally, you called what? Because the answer will be, I'm called something. You have already learned, 你 called, 叫, and what? 什么? So now try to repeat it after me. 你叫什么? Let's try it again. 你叫什么? You might have noticed something strange about the way I was pronouncing all the English letters on the board today. That is because it was not English. Chinese uses a system to enunciate its sounds, and that system that uses English letters is called Pinyin. So now, let's pause for a minute and learn how to pronounce all the sounds that we've learned today.
For today's lesson, let's start with the vowels. A, O, I, Now you try. A, O, I, Very good. Now, let's learn some consonants. W, W, G, J, N, N, M, M, Z, Z, B, B, Sh, Sh. Okay, now let's combine some vowels and consonants. W, O, W, A, O, Ao, I, A, O, Yao. Can you guess? Jiao. Very good. N, I, Ni. N, Sh, N, Shen. I, Z, Zai. I, An, Yan, Jian.
And the last word for today, let's learn how to say goodbye.
再见.
拜拜。
One option, 再见. Literally it means see you again. The other option, bye bye, comes from English, from the word bye. So let's try it again. 再见. Bye bye. Okay, thank you very much for listening. And now let's listen to the first dialogue again and see if you can understand everything this time.
你好，
你好，
你叫什么？
我叫恩典，你叫什么？
我叫伊利亚。
再见。
拜拜。
Thank you for watching our first YouTube video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.
If you enjoyed today's class and would like to continue learning Chinese, we offer Chinese lessons both in person at our school in Beijing and online via WeChat. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave us a like and subscribe so you don't miss any future Chinese classes from us. And if you're interested in booking lessons, our information will appear on the screen and in the description down below. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.